hold for now. Mali ako ng skill. 1D tank, pa-check ako ng ano, ng south.
They're calling Jaysang.
OC now boys, OC now. Get ready. Abso, get ready.
I can fake if you want.
No, si Abso mag-fake.
Okay.
Pa-fake ako Abso. Shallow. Night times boys, night times. Fake ka sa south in 3, 2, 1. Get ready. You're looking D-tanks, shallow D-tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow na. Kill this D-tank. Kill that. Kabak. Hold the choke. Cycle does on me.
Inching up.
Full defensive boys. Full defensive. I need heals up front. Come north, come east. Keep walking east. North now. North. Hold here. Hold. Get ready.
Maharlika moving, I think.
Copy.
Yeah, they're going
Not
out.
sure.
Copy. Come
Out
south
na
east.
yan, labas na ng castle yan.
Yeah. Come south. Keep moving south.
Ayan ang moving.
Yeah, see.
Ayan.
Engaging sila. careful.
Engaging.
Hold kayo dito. Okay, you're
Careful,
going to engage
careful.
shallow again. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the heavy mace. Kill the heavy mace, boys. Late yung ano, Spirit Hunter.
Nice.
Come back southeast fast.
They're crossing the bridge. Maharlika
Yeah.
is crossing the bridge.
Fast.
Rotating southeast din yung iba.
Copy. Keep moving lang.
Come back D-tanks. Diamond, come back.
Hold here. Kamusta yung Maharlika? Going southeast?
Nag-rotate yung iba sa
West,
southeast, then nasa bridge din sila.
In your this one in the bridge.
Southeast mo. Likod mo,
Go
southeast.
west.
Planted in the bridge ah.
West.
Mounted up sa bridge.
Yeah.
Mounted up.
Go west. Southwest now. Hold here. Okay,
Nagre-report siya pa rin.
malayo yung Dutchman ako. Go southeast. Try to catch yung Maharlika kung kaya. Kung kaya mang catch yung Maharlika.
Layo.
Okay, come northwest.
Yeah, too far.
Kap yata to naman.
Take ka na dun.
Sa castle ata ito.
Yeah.
Kap ng Dutchman.
Ayaw mo mag-blink.
Come south. Ayoko. Keep moving southwest.
Saan ang Marla ko niya.
Pumasok na ng castle yung ano.
Maharlika?
Yeah, they're inside.
Copy. Kill the mobs.
Thumbs good.
Keep moving southwest.
Careful
Southeast
wall.
Stay away from the wall, boys.
Fully nasa.
Oh,
Okay.
ginili ako.
First. Let's go. Kakausap ko yung TFD. Bash gate pass.
Wala pala akong ano.
Hanap kayo bomb
Yeah,
squad.
bomb squad north.
Get ready.
Northeast.
Ano
Hold.
bomb squad yan?
Pa-fake ako
Ibon.
shallow. Wait lang.
Ay,
Hold.
ibon.
Get ready. Fake shallow in 5, 4, 3.
Engaging.
Aggressive. Get ready. On the gate now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate. Come back fast. Get ready. We're going to hit shallow on the D-tanks, alright?
Careful.
Ready.
60% gate.
Shallow on this D-tank.
Engaging.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this D-tank. Shallow. Just inside. Kill this D-tanks.
Nice.
Kill this D-tanks.
Careful northeast.
Puta na
Kung
buhay.
matulis, huwag niyong kunin yung food kung meron.
50%.
Yung careful wall lang. May ibon sila.
Keep bashing.
Yun,
They're
stop
doing
yun.
second floor.
Yeah, keep bashing now. Full bash. Everybody full bash. Full bash. Ina, konti lang yung may hammer.
Baba na ba ako?
Keep bashing.
Sige, may
I-trade mo
Ang
naman sa
napon.
iba.
Sang ina, di ba?
Clear the guards in 3, 2, 1. Everything on the guards. Then bash the gate.
Alam, nasaan na sila?
Andun sila
They're
sa...
fighting.
okay.
Sa kabilang dulo.
Keep bashing.
Ayaw mo sa ano?
Kapilang others.
I mean, konti lang kasi yung hammer, kaya pwede sana pati naro.
Tukol.
Keep bashing lang, boys.
Looking
Get ready,
west.
get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready.
44 na like all.
Get ready, on the choke, on the choke, on the choke, on the choke. Hold. Deep west now, deep west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep west now. Everything deep west. Good shit, boys, good shit. Then hold.
Shit, dami na hold.
Good
Nice.
shit. Keep bashing.
Careful wall.
Keep bashing lang. Nice hit, boys.
Kaboom.
Hit rin sila.
Sino matay sa kanila?
Marami rin namatay, marami.
Rally patay.
Keep bashing lang.
They got
Check
clapped.
Naro.
Keep bashing, then
Check
we're
Naro.
going north.
Ako magche-check ng Naro, I'll check Naro.
Magnaro ka na.
Come Naro.
Thank you.
Come east, boys. Come east.
Engaging wall, oh my god.
Help kay Diamond. Come east.
You're good.
Bash Naro. Keep bashing Naro. Get ready. We're going to hit shallow, shallow. Shallow northwest. Hold.
May cleric yung mga yan.
Hold. Yeah.
5 DA na lang Marley ko.
Carpet na si Dutchman.
Copy. Keep bashing, boys.
2 minutes bago ma-open.
Get ready. We're going to hit northwest deep, ready ako ng occult, please.
Alapag na.
Okay.
Never mind. Keep bashing now. Keep bashing lang. Get ready your defensives, alright? We're going to headbutt.
Left.
Get ready. West now in 5, 4,
Silence.
3, 2, 1. West now. Drop everything, guys. Then hold. Keep bashing. Cycle does on me.
Nag-out na yung ibang Maharlika.
Yeah. Keep bashing.
May sandals yung earth rod nila.
Copy.
Yeah, they're going out ng southeast.
Yeah. Keep bashing lang.
Pero na-hold sila ng TFT.
That's man.
Nag-i-inch na sila. Yan.
Left.
Engaging.
Shallow. Southwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First floor na si TFD
Southwest.
10%.
Almost, boys. Almost.
Masagad tong gate.
Yeah. Hold. Cycle your cooldowns. Inch up D-tanks. Each up.
GA inside.
Kunin mo yung
sa
north.
likod mo.
Kunin mo yung northwest stairs.
Yeah. Come north. Get ready.
May sandals yun,
Hold. Get ready. You're looking. Come north. Hold here. Get ready. Deep west. On the choke in
Uphill,
5,
downhill.
4, 3, 2, 1. Uphill.
Nice.
Patay sa window.
Dutchman engaging sa baba yung Dutchman.
Engaging, guys.
Spread on the Lord room. Spread. Don't let them out. Northeast. Get ready. Everything on the northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything northwest now.
Oh my
Drop
God.
here. Then spread again.
Touchman natin sa gilid natin.
Careful, looking pa rin natin ng Dutchman.
Full defensive. I need heals. Spread. Get ready. You're looking southwest on the stairs.
Engage na ba to sa Dutchman? Are you fighting?
Shallow northwest. Shallow north.
5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northwest now. Everything northwest. On the wall.
Hindi ko nakita. Sorry.
Then come east. Spread.
Dutchman na to
Yeah, this is Dutchman. Spread. Don't get clapped.
Guard runes.
Don't get clapped. Spread for now. Spread.
Naka-engage na
Hindi ko kita yung front na. Nakapag-engage na sila.
Oo, nakapag-engage na.
Hold. Pa-fake ako shallow. Okay, nice fake.
Okay.
After the cleric in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the cleric now. Drop everything on the cleric now. Come back.
Incoming.
Spread, boys. Spread.
Bomb.
They're looking for engage. Nice
Look out for Diamond.
Defensive.
Hindi
Hills
pa
on front.
hindi pa drop.
Oh my god.
Get ready. You're looking stairs. D-tanks. We're going to engage on the D-tanks, alright? Shallow inside of us. Northwest stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest stairs now. Tangina, got stop.
Enter.
Come.
Nag-blink sila.
Na silence ako.
Enter.
Hold. Just spread for now. Spread.
Engaging.
Is double inside na.
Ito na.
They're pushing
Engaging.
Engaging
I
now.
stun them.
Full defensive, boys. Full defensive. Get ready. Walk west. West.
But dito stairs, puro healers.
On the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the stairs now. Putang ina nun mag-stop sa akin. Kamis. Nai-interrupt ako. Kamis.
Bubuksan ni Mugi yung chest na.
Tangina na ito. Safety ka nga ito.
Inching.
Spread. Defensive. Heals on Nidal. Spread lang muna. They engage already. We're going to hit shallow sa mga ditang sila. Kita mo to si William. Get ready. Shallow inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us. Drop everything. Nicely done, boys. Hold.
Def.
Get ready your defensive. Full defensive now. Full defensive now.
Yay.
Spread. They're looking at me, ah. Spread lang. Get ready. You're looking northwest stairs. Get ready.
Ready.
Hold.
Puro healer northwest stairs.
Copy. Northwest stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest stairs now. Everything northwest stairs. Come back fast.
DPS out to sa.
Come back fast. Full defensive. Defensive, boys. Defensive.
Wala pa, boss.
Nag-clap na. Nag-drop ng spike.
Na-hold sila sa stairs.
Spread.
Ito pa lang.
Come southeast.
Pag diamond, hold on.
Come southeast. Hold.
5
Get ready.
seconds. 5.
Hard south ang Lord Room. Padrag ako. Hard south ang Lord Room in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hard south ang Lord Room now. Keep killing. Help. Spread. They're brawling us. Come northeast.
Def gate.
Ready.
Come west now. Full west now. West. Full west. Then
Ibon looking, Ibon.
Spread. Get ready. Shallow inside of us. Shallow on the ground. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the ground. Nice hit, boys.
Oh,
Then
spread.
Spread agad. Spread. Hold. Just spread around. Oy, don't clump up too much. Spread. Come northeast side. Northeast side is safe. Northeast side. Hold.
I drop Judy middle.
Copy. Help on LB. Hold. Get ready. You're looking northwest wall.
Engage sa north.
North now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything north now. Putang ina, nabuksan pa rin nila.
Nabuksan ng Marley.
Spread. Keep rolling them, boys, ah. Spread lang. Spread for now. Please double.
Hindi nakapag-loot.
Oo, nakapag.
Nabuksan lang.
They're going out.
Yeah, hold them. Get ready. On the choke. Over the wall tayo. On the choke in 5,
Def.
3, 2, 1. Everything on the choke now. Good shit, boys.
You kill their caller.
Roll them.
Look for
Stay
Gucci.
ako dito, isa. Thank you. Yeah, keep hitting them.
Bastion, iwan na dun.
Hindi, may tao na ako sa loob.
May tao na,
sa loob.
Oh,
Keep chasing.
Stun ka, boy.
Oh, man.
Nice.
Look at me, ma'am.
Sick.
Marley ko yun.
Ayang na-open ni Mugi. Ni Mugi ba yun?
pa rin?
Hindi
Pero
siya.
namatay siya.
May isa.
Ay,
May isa
isa pa.
Oo.
Ano yun?